What's up, guys? Coach K here. We're going to look at the market today from a different perspective on cycles and what has happened previously. We're just going to start after our first halving, going towards our second. We came to made a top. We came way back down. We pumped from, look at the time frame, around January. We pumped all the way until July. Okay, keep those notes down from like February to July. Those times are usually pretty good. Then we had a dip. Then we started to extend up into that first halving, or in the second halving, sorry. So we look again. We had the same thing pretty much happen. We bottomed out December, February, we started to kind of push back up. We got above the cloud, and then we kept going. It would look bullish. So this is kind of like where we are right now, above the cloud, similar type of chart pattern. And then we went up and we got to that $13,000 range, right? And then we started to break back down. And likely we would have stopped somewhere around here, around 6,500, but COVID happened. So this all was going good until COVID. And then obviously we had that retest, everyone sold off, and then it started to pump the market after the next halving, right? Which we keep seeing. So now where are we? Now, I thought we would come down lower than we did. I thought we would come down lower than 15. I was looking around 13, 12. I was being very realistic with that, and it still potentially could happen, but it's less likely now after FTX and Genesis and all the other bankruptcies and things that have happened. And Genesis being bankrupt is a good thing because it's a Chapter 11, which means we will not have to be affected by that. So what's next for us then is the question that you might be asking. Likely we're going to retest this Kumo top somewhere around 19.3, 19.1, 19.2. And something will drag us back down. We'll break again above the 200 EMA, and then we'll likely ascend towards 30,000, 28,000. In my perspective, we're going to come into this zone right here, and we're likely going to drop at that point. How much, no one knows, but we saw the past cycles. So keep that all in mind. This is just a good understanding of where Bitcoin might be going. Now you guys have the whole story. You decide for yourself. This is my perspective. This is what I'm seeing in the market. Do you guys agree? If you do, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. We'll see you guys later. Have a great day.